Hello everyone, this is Lenovo Tab P11 that we're opening right now with pen Precision Pen 2 to 2023. Okay, so we're just gonna open it now, and let's see. So you can grab this on JB Hi-Fi of Harvey Norman. This is a second gen 2023 edition. So this is 11.5 inch 2K. So you got, and can be upgradable to the SD card up to 1 TB. So as of now it's 128 TB. So that's the guide to look at. So that's the charger, that's the cord, and the charger, it's a USB-C, and that's the Precision Pen 2. Okay, that's only in the box. So we open the Lenovo Tab P11. Okay, so it's 11.5, so looks cool. One camera at the back and one camera at the front. So there are two speakers on both sides. That's for the Dolby Atmos. So I'm gonna check how good the sound is. So that's it. Thank you.